Happy morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss intermediate first year mathematics. Topic is functions. In earlier videos already we have discussed the important definitions of the functions. Now we have discussed about some more important definitions of the functions. Now on to function. It's very important definition. Onto function, sometimes called surjective function. A function f from a to b is said to be onto if f of capital A is equal to B. That means range set is equal to codomain. Example, here A, this is B, 5, 6, 7, A, B. 5 associated with A, 6 associated with A, 7 associated with B. Then f is a function from A to B. All elements of which are associated with the elements of B. That is what is range. Range of f equals to mapped elements of the B only. That is A comma B only. Because of f of 5, f of 6, f of 7. F of 5 means A, f of 6 means A, f of 7 means B only. That means completely it is A, B. It is nothing but B. Therefore, this is nothing but capital A is equal to B. Therefore, f is onto. Example 2. Suppose A is one set and B is another set. 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, D. A associated with B, 6 associated with A, 7 associated with C, and D, 8 associated with D only. That is, F is a mapping from A to B. That means all elements of A which are associated with elements of B. What is the range? Range is, here in this case, F of capital A means F of 5, F of 6, F of 7, F of 8. F of 5 means B, F of 6 means A, F of 7 means C, F of 8 means D. That is A, B, C, D. Is nothing but B only. And the oral example, say A taken a set of all states in our country, B taken their capitals. Every state has unique capital only. Therefore, F is here in this case, F is a function and also is always onto, but not 1. Right? This is an example 2. Another is example 3. F from real numbers to real number by f of x is equal to ax plus b. Here a different from 0 comma b belongs to real numbers, right? Then immediately f is always onto, because of real number to real number only f is always onto. For example, f taken as a natural number to natural number, that is f is not onto. F is not onto because of there is no preimage of the elements. Example 4, f from natural number to natural number by f of x is equal to, for example, 2x. Is it onto or not? Here in this case, f of x is equal to y. We are considered that is f of x means 2x is equal to y, implies x is equal to y by 2. So for x is a, what is element of x? X is an element of domain. That means x is equal to y by 2 means x taken as suppose 1 and automatically by x is equal to, here in this case, x taken as 1, y is equal to 2. Y is a element of n only, right? Suppose here in this case codomain, that means y is 1, automatically x is equal to half only. Suppose y is equal to 1 and x is equal to half only. That means y is an element of codomain, but there is no pre-image of domain only. In this case, F is not onto. For this reason, F is not onto, because there is no pre-image of 1 in the domain A only. In the domain A means here natural number only, right? Okay. If important note, if A, note cardinal of A is equal to m elements, cardinal of B is equal to 2 elements, then the number of onto functions from A to B is always 2 power m minus 2, 2 to the power of m minus 2, because of here A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to m elements, and B is equal to only 2 elements, A, B, or some elements associated with A, some remaining elements associated with B is always onto. This is always an onto, right? So how we can express it as an onto means there is a constant functions exist also. The total number of functions from A to B is always the number of elements of B my power number of elements of A only. That is number of elements of B means 2 power how many elements of A, m only, minus here we are accept constant function because of here there exists a constant functions. All elements of A associated with A one constant, all elements associated with B another constant, except the remaining possibilities are always onto. That is only 2. That is 2 power m minus 2 is called a number of onto functions from A to B. Next definition is bijection. A function f from A to B is said to be bijection if f is 1, 1 and onto. 1, 1 and onto, that is injective and surjective. 1, 1 onto, that is called f is a bijection only. F is always bijection only. Example, here A, here B only. 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. Here 1 associated with the C, 2 associated with the B, 3 associated with A, 4 associated with D. Therefore, here in this case, F is a mapping. Whether it is 1, 1, how we are checking 1, 1? Different elements in A have different images only. Different elements in A, 1 image is A, 4 images D. Different elements, different images only. Therefore, here in this case, F is 1, 1. And what is the range set? Range set is always A, B, C only, is nothing but codomain. Therefore, in this case, F is always bijection. That means 1, 1 and onto. So, it is a bijection only. Now, example 2, A, it is B. 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, D, E. So, this is also function. All elements of A which are associated with elements of B is always function. Is it 1, 1 or not? Means different elements in A have different images only. Different elements in A they have different images only. Therefore, in this case, F is 1, 1. Is it onto? F is not onto because of there is no preimage of E. That is, the range set is B completely. Sorry, range set is not B. That is only A, B, C only. Range, that is F of A is equal to only A, B, C, D only. Which is not equal to B. Because of B is having also E element also there. That means there is no preimage of E in A. Therefore, F is not onto. Not onto. That is, F is not a bijection. F is not a bijection only. And third one, suppose if A is equal to A set is there, B set is there, A, B, C, E, F. So this is a mapping only. This is also mapping. All elements of which are associated with elements of B. In this case, A associated with E and B associated with F and C associated. Because of B and C are different elements, have unique image only. In this case, F is not onto. So not 1 1, but is also onto. So not 1 1, but onto. So in example 2, example 3 is not bijection only. In example 2 is 1 1 but not onto. Example 3 is not 1 1 but onto. Therefore, by conclusion that is example 3 and example 2, what we conclude that whenever there exists a bijective function means the number of elements in A is always equal to number of elements in B only. That is there exists in example 1 only. In example 1, number of elements in A is always 4. The number of elements also 4 here. Then only there exists a 1 1 and onto. For the example 2 and example 3 does not exist such a case. Therefore, in example 2 is not onto but 1 1. In example 3 is not 1 1 but onto. Therefore, these are the 3 examples of the first example is bijection, second example is not bijection, third example is not bijection only, right? Thank you very much for good listening.